today we'll be doing a FIFA mobile pack opening. I have 16 packs for you guys. Actually, I had 21, but the recording had some fucking up. And yeah, I opened 5 packs without recording it. But it's okay, we got a few gold players in there, just some team updates. Anyways, I got this idea off of Jordan 28T. You can go and check him out. I'll leave the link in the description. He's a very cool guy. He's got about 65 over packs, so you can check him out because his packs are definitely going to be better than mine. Alright, so first up, we have an inform pack. What will we get? We will get a token inform. Okay, player pool. Let's see what's in this one. Come on, player pool. What's in this one? A Lee Q Row. I think he's a Korean, honestly. I myself is an Asian, so I think he's Korean. Obviously, by the face I can tell. Asian stereotypes, blah blah. What the fuck? 49 CG4. Well, oh my gosh. No, let's just continue opening these packs. My pack luck has been shit with Pokemon. This one too. Pokemon pack opening shit. So I'm sorry if I'm uploading inconsistently. I'm just having a very bad cough. Like my voice is going. I also have CCA, co-curricular activities. It's a sport for me at least. So I'm very tired. So now we're on to the Howler's Trick and Treat. Enough of the bullshit. Halloween just passed. Let's do this, motherfuckers. So what do you get? Rap tea. After hours of trying, you give me a 69 rated right mid. Oh, you can go fuck yourself, hey. Oh, for players. Token treat. Hector Eustace. Token treat. Another player. Oh, 3 token treats. Oh god. It's gonna be the same for the rest of the fucking packs. Hey, wait, what? Oh, okay. Oh, it's just treat. So, yeah, it's just treat. I don't want to bore you with this shit. We've got 4 more, so I'll be back when I am done opening all these pieces of shit. Yo guys, so we are back. We are done opening all the treats pack. All we got with treat tokens, as you guys know. So we're down to the last 2 packs, inform and an all pro pack. I'm looking at the all pro pack very highly because I'm expecting it to be gold. I need to update my team. Right, all pro pack. Come on, pray guys, pray. All pro pack, the last pack that I have. Come on. Oh my holy shit, that's a lot of things, right? What's up, right? Oh yes! Ooh! Oh, okay. Oh shit! Oh my gosh. So far, 4 goals! Oh, update the team. Holy shit. Oh my god. So my team is currently 72 attacking, 72 mid, 71 defending. It's not bad. So I'll show you my current team. This is my current team, Tosu and Jerome. We just got him in the pack. We're over 72. I know it's an all gold team. No elites yet because I'm too shit. I'm too poor for elites. Come on, man. Cut me some slack. I only have like 9,000 coins for 200 FIFA points. Don't ask me how I got the FIFA points. I got the FIFA points from what do you call it? I don't know. It said what? Make good title or something like that. I think everyone got it. My friend Jordan, which I mentioned earlier, also got it. So, boy, tap on the dribbler to perform this skill. kill him. Oh, don't go outside. Come on, BNG. Come on, I faith in you. Go, BNG. Go on. Nice. You've done it. Hey, wait, what? 1 out of 3. Oh, fuck off. Didn't you see how the bigger the last one was? BNG, use your pace. I'm a pace whore. Actually, not me. I like to use pacey plays in FIFA 15 and FIFA Mobile. Oh, come on. BNG, use your pace now. Come on, use your pace. Use your pace, BNG. Nice, take a shot off. Never mind. Completed it. We're gonna get like a daily warm-up tokens. But it's worth it. I get more than XP. Warm up. Here's the last pack officially for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you all in the next episode. Peace out, guys.